The job description of a quality control inspector focuses on ensuring that products or services meet the established quality standards and specifications set by the organization or regulatory bodies. Quality control inspectors play a critical role in maintaining product integrity, safety, and customer satisfaction by conducting detailed inspections, testing, and monitoring throughout the production or service delivery process. Their work helps to detect defects, identify inconsistencies, and prevent faulty products from reaching customers, thus safeguarding brand reputation and compliance. Quality control inspectors operate in diverse industries such as manufacturing, construction, pharmaceuticals, food production, and electronics, among others. Regardless of the industry, their primary mission remains consistent: to verify that outputs meet defined quality parameters and regulatory requirements. They serve as the frontline guardians of quality by using specialized tools and techniques to evaluate products or materials systematically. This job description demands a combination of technical expertise, keen observational skills, and the ability to interpret detailed documentation such as blueprints, standards, and quality manuals. A quality control inspector must be meticulous and methodical, ensuring that every stage of production aligns with quality criteria. Their findings and reports are crucial inputs for production teams, quality assurance departments, and management to make informed decisions on process improvements or corrective actions. Key responsibilities of a quality control inspector. One of the primary duties highlighted in the job description of quality control inspector is to conduct thorough inspections and tests on raw materials, in-process components, and finished products. This involves using a variety of measuring instruments such as calipers, micrometers, gauges, and testing devices to assess dimensional accuracy, functionality, and appearance. Inspectors verify that products comply with technical drawings, quality standards, and safety regulations. They check for defects like cracks, deformations, incorrect dimensions, surface blemishes, or faulty assembly. The ability to detect even minor deviations is essential to prevent larger issues downstream. Documentation and record-keeping form a significant part of their responsibilities. Quality control inspectors maintain detailed logs of inspections, test results, and any deviations found. These records support traceability, quality audits, and regulatory compliance. They often prepare reports summarizing their findings and recommend acceptance, rejection, or rework of products. Collaboration with production teams is crucial. Inspectors communicate their observations to supervisors, engineers, and quality assurance personnel to facilitate timely corrective actions. They may also participate in root cause analysis to identify underlying problems and prevent recurrence. Quality control inspectors play an active role in verifying the effectiveness of corrective and preventive measures implemented in response to quality issues. They monitor production processes, perform random sampling, and conduct follow-up inspections to ensure continued adherence to quality standards. In addition, some quality control inspectors are involved in supplier quality management by inspecting incoming materials or components and coordinating with vendors to address quality concerns. They help ensure that suppliers meet contractual specifications and maintain consistent quality. Essential skills and qualifications for quality control inspectors. The job description of quality control inspector emphasizes the need for strong attention to detail. Inspectors must be able to focus intently on the task at hand, recognizing even subtle flaws or inconsistencies that could compromise product quality. Technical proficiency is critical, particularly the ability to operate various inspection tools and equipment accurately. Familiarity with quality control methodologies such as statistical process control, SPC, Six Sigma, or ISO standards is often required, depending on the industry. Good analytical and problem-solving skills help inspectors interpret test data, evaluate trends, and contribute to quality improvement initiatives. They need to assess the significance of defects and decide appropriate actions in collaboration with other departments. Communication skills are also important. Quality control inspectors must clearly document their findings and effectively communicate issues to production teams, managers, and sometimes external auditors. Being able to explain technical details in an understandable manner supports smoother resolution of quality problems. Physical stamina and dexterity are often necessary, as inspectors may spend long hours standing, bending, or moving around production lines and workstations. Precision and steady hands are vital for handling delicate components or measuring instruments. Most quality control inspector positions require at least a high school diploma or equivalent, with additional vocational training or certification in quality control, inspection, or relevant technical fields preferred. Many employers value experience in specific industries or familiarity with regulatory requirements applicable to their sector. Work environment and challenges. Quality control inspectors typically work in manufacturing plants, warehouses, laboratories, or construction sites depending on the nature of the products. The work environment may expose them to noise, chemicals, or other hazards, requiring adherence to strict safety protocols and use of personal protective equipment, PPE. The role can be physically demanding due to repetitive tasks, lifting, and extended periods of standing or moving between inspection points. However, it also offers the opportunity to engage closely with the production process and contribute directly to product excellence. One common challenge faced by quality control inspectors is balancing thoroughness with efficiency. Inspections must be detailed enough to catch defects but also timely to avoid production delays. Inspectors often operate under pressure to maintain quality without slowing down the workflow. Dealing with production teams regarding quality issues can sometimes be difficult, requiring tact and professionalism. Inspectors need to foster a cooperative relationship to encourage quality improvement rather than conflict. Keeping up to date with changing quality standards, new inspection technologies, and industry regulations is another ongoing challenge. Continuous learning is important to remain effective and compliant in the role. Career development and growth opportunities. The job description of quality control inspector can serve as a stepping stone into various quality management and engineering roles. Many inspectors advance to quality assurance supervisor, quality engineer, or quality manager positions as they gain experience and additional qualifications. Professional certifications such as Certified Quality Inspector, CQI, Six Sigma Green Belt, or ASQ certifications enhance career prospects and validate expertise. These credentials often lead to greater responsibilities, higher salaries, and leadership roles. Some quality control inspectors specialize in particular types of inspections, such as non-destructive testing, laboratory analysis, or regulatory compliance, which can open up niche career paths. The role also offers transferable skills applicable in diverse industries, enabling inspectors to move between manufacturing sectors, healthcare, construction, or aerospace, depending on their interests and qualifications. Continuous professional development, attending workshops, and engaging with industry organizations help quality control inspectors stay current and grow their careers. Conclusion. The job description of quality control inspector defines a vital role focused on safeguarding product quality and ensuring compliance with standards. Through meticulous inspection, testing, and reporting, quality control inspectors help organizations maintain high-quality outputs that meet customer expectations and regulatory demands. This profession requires a mix of technical expertise, attention to detail, strong communication skills, and a proactive approach to problem-solving. Working closely with production teams and management, quality control inspectors contribute significantly to the overall success and reputation of their organizations. For individuals who enjoy hands-on work, quality assurance, and continuous improvement, a career as a quality control inspector offers both challenges and rewards. It provides an essential function in the production process that supports safety, efficiency, and excellence in product delivery.